and welcome to the next episode with me about the naturopathy at Life Shots, where we explore holistic wellness, ancient wisdom, and modern treatments at my clinic. I'm your host, Dr. Shlesha, and today we are diving truly into the new concept, the fascinating topic, which is very close to the root of nature, called as naturopathy. Right now, in the world which is actually getting into the quick fix of medications, there's a growing shift that we have seen using the methods towards the nature and getting back towards the nature, where you allow your body and its own ability to heal. And who can better guide us through this concept? I would request Dr. Kalindi to explain about the naturopathy, and we are very thrilled to have Dr. Kalindi with us today. Right.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shlesha. It's truly a pleasure being here with you, and I'm really excited to discuss naturopathy, how traditional principles can be integrated with the modern tools that we have over here to give a drugless and a holistic way of healing all the ailments. Naturopathy is a holistic system of medicine where we believe it works in harmony with nature.
Harmony in nature. So what do you mean by harmony in nature?
Right. So when we say harmony, we say about there are certain vibrations in the nature, and our body is also in the same vibrations. For example, when we eat the natural food given by the body, our body remains healthy. But when we take that wheat from it, then we process it into a flour and then consume it. That is, we are breaking the harmony with nature. So that is what we mean when we work in harmony with nature. We use the elements of nature like mud, water, all of these to treat the different ailments.
The 5 elements of
yes.
the nature.
Yes, we'll definitely talk about it further.
Absolutely.
Yes. So that's about naturopathy, and one very important thing is we don't focus on symptoms. We focus on treating the root cause.
Interesting. Root cause.
Yes.
So what do you understand? What is this terminology about the root cause treatment?
So root cause, for example, if someone is having fever, we need to find the root cause. Why did this person get fever? Was it because of an infection? Was it because he did not take proper rest? Was it because he has exerted too much? We need to find the root cause. If I'm just going to give him an antipyretic, what will happen? The symptom will go down, but the person will not heal. The fever is going to come up again until we find the root cause. If he has eaten something wrong, we are going to fix that. If he has not taken rest, we'll ask him to take rest. If he has not moved enough, we'll ask him to move enough. So we are trying to treat the root cause.
Absolutely. Very interesting and a very refreshing perspective that you have given us about the naturopathy and its understanding. Furthermore, we will be moving to understand more about the naturopathy. So Dr. Kalindi, could you tell us, our listener, about how does exactly you can define in naturopathy the health and the diseases, and how it is different from the conventional medicine?
Okay, so it's very interesting. The take about disease in naturopathy is that we don't treat it as our enemy. So what we believe is our body, very interestingly, uses this as a signal to show that there is something wrong. There is an imbalance in your body. So the symptoms or the diseases that you are seeing is your body trying to draw attention to tell you that there is something wrong. Pay attention, fix it. It could be because of anything. Maybe because of lack of sleep, could be because of toxicity, could be because of lack of rest. So our job as naturopaths is to decode these signals.
Understanding.
And then help our patients, help them, guide them to choose the correct modality and treat without any drugs.
So basically you want to say that body gives a signal and you as a naturopath collects those signals to decode it.
Correct.
Is that what you want to tell us, listeners?
Correct.
Right. Amazing. Moving forward, let's hear from you. How did you choose this as your path, that you decided to become the naturopath? What was your own personal story, and how did you end up being a naturopath doctor?
Well, my journey as a naturopath started at a very early age.
Okay.
I was really drawn towards yoga since my childhood.
Yeah.
I was very curious to know how the body becomes so calm just after, performing a pose.
asanas.
Yes, performing pranayams, just bringing the attention on breathing. I could focus well on my studies. It was very interesting. I was always thinking, how does this work? How does the body use yoga? So I was very curious. And then the turning point came when I had my personal experiences. So as a child, my digestive system was very bad. So the interesting part about this disease of mine was that my mom would rarely take me to get the conventional medicine or the drugs.
Antacids.
Yeah,
Very common.
Yes, but I could not take that. My body did not accept them.
Okay.
So all these ailments, all these digestive issues were treated or were managed by my mom using all the natural remedies.
Traditional methods
Traditional,
of the moms.
exactly.
Every mom is like a doctor.
What our grandmom gave us, what our ancestors gave. So simple things like having jeera water or having ajwain, such simple home remedies, taking good rest, eating khichdi, giving rest to the gut. That's how she helped me heal. So pursuing naturopathy as a path of career was like a
Yeah.
natural thing to me. It was like it aligned with what I already believed about health.
Understand.
So yeah.
Cut. Settle. So, Dr. Kalandi, I have heard that you have started integrating the cutting edge technologies, the global technologies at LifeShots with naturopathy treatments.
Correct.
So, how have you been doing this innovation? It's very interesting, and I would like our listeners to know about the innovation that you have started.
Well, I'm really excited to discuss this part.
Okay.
So here at LifeShots, we believe in staying true to the natural and drugless way of treating the conditions.
Absolutely.
So, like a very conventional or a very basic treatment in naturopathy that we use is hydrotherapy, where we use hip baths, enema, wet packs, which are beautifully mirrored by the technologies that we have over here, like your float therapy, GRAD system, and colon hydrotherapy, which uses water and temperature control for detoxification, for calming down the nervous system, and for a reset of the digestive system. Similarly, when we go further, we have the massage therapy in naturopathy, where we try to manipulate the muscles for relaxation, for pain relief, and to improve the
Circulation overall.
and the lymphatic drainage,
Yes.
which aligns beautifully with what we have over here called the
Lymphopress. Yes.
Yes.
So the pneumatic compression plus the IRR
Correct.
heat actually resonate and resembles the similar techniques like manual massage.
Correct.
Right? Actually, much more in deeper way because of the
Right.
utilization of the red light.
Correct.
Absolutely.
Right. And then traditionally we use the sauna,
Mhm.
right, for expanding the pores, for opening up the pores, and help our skin to eliminate the waste through it. This goes along very well with what we have over here, the Korean cocoon.
Oh yeah, the far infrared red light therapy, which
Yes.
is actually so much on Instagram now.
Right. Which penetrates deeper towards the cellular level to promote detoxification, to improve circulation, and for the pain relief, of course. Then so in ancient times we were using yoga, not just ancient, now also we are using
Yeah.
yoga.
Yoga is a way of life,
Yes.
right?
So but there when we use pranayama for oxygenation, we have something called the HPOT or
HPOT.
the hyperbaric oxygen therapy and ozone, which is going to help in oxygenation at the cellular level.
Right.
So,
So overall oxygenation has been increased in the body by crossing the blood-brain barrier because of the pressurized and the conducive environment that the HPOT is providing.
correct.
Right?
Correct.
And about the ozone, if I can ask you a little bit precise. So what?
So in ozone, we are using the ozone gas. The oxygen that we inhale from the atmosphere is 2 molecules of oxygen.
Yeah, O2.
Right, O2. And ozone is O3. That is 3
molecules
molecules
of
of
the
oxygen.
oxygen.
Now people may have a conception that it's toxic and it's not good. But we are using it at a lower concentration, at a medical dosage.
Therapeutic dosage.
Therapeutic dosage. We have been using it very, very nicely and giving very good result because we are letting the oxygen reach at the very cellular level. Why? We are just not using our lungs to breathe in, but we are giving it through different ways. Like we can give it through insufflation, through the rectal insufflation, through vaginal insufflation, through ear insufflation.
Different
Orifices. Yes.
Right.
So it is going directly to the part where the oxygenation is required. So,
Very
yeah.
deeper and innovation that you have provided the knowledge about it.
Right.
Right. Moving forward, any other methodology that you have integrated at LifeShots using your naturopathy methodology of treatments?
So other than that, I think we are of course going to use
The gut health, the colon therapy. I've seen so many clinicians, the naturopath doctor, even Ayurveda doctor, they practice acupuncture and they call it as a part of their therapy. So is it true? As you being the naturopath, are you also utilizing the acupuncture techniques in your to treat the elements of diseases or the different types of problems?
100%. So of course we are going to use acupuncture over here. It's quite an ancient practice, but it is widely accepted now and researched. So yes, we are going to use it because it is going to help very nicely for pain management, for improving circulation, because it works at the level of your energy system. It works at the level of your nervous system. It is going to give us a benefit when we will use it along with all the other modalities we have in conjunct with it. So in essence, here we are not trying to replace naturopathy, but we are trying to expand its reach while using the traditional principles with the modern technologies over here while being drugless.
Yeah.
Stay tuned with us for the next episode where we will be revealing more interesting and innovative treatments about the LifeShots in our next episode. Comment below treatment to get a free consultation with us only at Flight Shots.